So hello guys, welcome to this Mac Gamer channel. In today's video, we'll be seeing, we'll be observing, we'll be witnessing if anyone has saved our playlist. Can we see who has saved that playlist? Can we see the specific username? Can we, see the person that who has saved this playlist, who has saved our created playlist? We will going to see in this video. All right. What does Mac Gamer channel does? Mac Gamer channel presents you the video with full fact checked. It does represents and presents the video in front of you, getting the fact check so you don't get manipulated and cheated by any of the videos on YouTube right now. Alright, so we'll be watching on to if anyone has saved our playlist on Spotify, we can see the specific username or not. So here it is. Here is the Spotify app. We will just open it, and as you can see by going on to your library, which is on the bottom line of the Spotify interface, just click on your library and we have created a playlist over here which is blends of flavors hip hop. Alright, and after creating the playlist, the number of users who saves our playlist, only that is visible, which means that you cannot see the specific username who has saved the playlist. He, she, anyone it might be. Supposedly we go on to the search button and search for any of the playlist. Suppose we search for a hip hop playlist. Here it is. We've already searched for it. So this is the hip hop playlist. All right. So here we can see the number of saves done, which are 231,771 saves done for this hip hop playlist. You'll be wondering if the author, if anyone who has created this playlist might be watching us. Might be watching a username that we have saved this playlist, but no, that's no chance. Spotify is a music listening platform which cares for its users, privacy, and all of those things. There is no fear of being watched in here. So Spotify doesn't let anyone allow even the creator of that playlist to view who has saved the playlist. Only the number of saves are visible. So I hope this have cleared your confusion about who can see that our usernames are mentioned in the playlist we have saved, or you can see the other users who have saved your playlist. No, only the numbers are visible. This is a user-friendly platform which guarantees your security and privacy over the platform and the fear of being watched. So just like the video, hit that subscribe button, and also visit our macgamer.com website, because on this Mac Gamer channel we present to you 100% working solutions with fact checked. See you guys soon. Bye-bye.